Good morning, student. Now we
Let's
start
see
the chapter
the
number
exercise
4,
number
practical
4.1.
geometry. In
See
that we
the
have to
rough figure.
construct a quadrilateral
According to
for
rough
a
figure,
given
you have to
condition.
make
Now we
a
have to see the exercise
main
number
figure. First draw
4.1.
the base AB, that is a 4.5 centimeter. AB 4.5 centimeter. Then take a distance in compass 5.5 centimeter. Make the arc from B. Then take another distance 7 centimeter from point A. Intersect this arc. This intersection point is C. With the help of ruler, join this BC and AC. Then take another distance in your compass, that is 6 and take another distance 4 centimeter from C to D and join this point. This intersection point is D. Join this point with the help of ruler. Write their measurement. See, this is our main figure. Now see the question number 2. See the rough figure. Here first make 3.5 centimeter. JU 3.5 centimeter JU, right, 3.5 centimeter. Then take a distance 4.5 centimeter and make a arc from J. Similarly, take a distance 6.5 and make the arc from U and intersect these two arcs. We get the point P. With the help of ruler, join these 2 points. These are 4.5 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter. Then take a distance 4 centimeter in your compass from U. Make this 4 centimeter. Another distance, take a 5 centimeter in your compass and make from P and intersect the arc. This point is M. Then join with using the ruler. Write the dimensions 4 centimeter and here is 5 centimeter. See, this is an example of second. Next to our homework for you. Try this. Now start the exercise number 4.2. See the rough figure. LIFT lift. First draw the base LI, that is a 4 centimeter. LI 4 centimeter. Then take a distance in compass 3 centimeter. Make the arc here. Then second, take a distance 4.5 in your compass and make from L mark from L. Then this point is point F. With the help of ruler, join these 2 points IF and LF. Write dimensions 4.5 centimeter and here is 3 centimeter. Similarly, take again distance 2.5 centimeter in your compass. From L, mark and second one is 4 centimeter. Take a distance in your compass and make arc from T. This point is T. Join with the help of ruler. Like 2 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. See, this is the main figure. See the second one example. First draw OL is a base 7.5 centimeter. OL 7.5 centimeter. Then take a distance 5 centimeter in your compass and make the arc from L. Similarly, take a distance 10 centimeter in your arc. Take a distance 10 centimeter in your compass and from O, mark it and intersect the arc. This point is G. Join with the help of ruler. Five centimeter and OD 10 centimeter. Then take a distance 6 centimeter in your compass. From D, make the arc and another distance take 6 centimeter. From L, mark it. This intersection is point G. Draw with the help of ruler. Join GL 6 centimeter and GD is also 6 centimeter. And join OG. See, this is the second one figure. Now see the first example of exercise number 4.3. In that MORE is a quadrilateral. In that base, MO is a base 6 centimeter. MO 6 centimeter. Then measure the angle with using a protractor 105 degree. Then draw with the help of ruler. Then take a distance in your compass, that is 4.5 centimeter. From O, mark it. This intersection is R. Right here 105 degree, here 4.5 centimeter. From M, measure the angle 60 degree. With the help of ruler, draw this line. Right here 60 degree. From point R, also measure the 105 degree angle. Make the point and draw with the help of ruler. This is also 105 degree. This is E. Now see the exercise number 4.3, second one example. In that L is not given. First we have to find the L by angle addition property. The angle L is equal to 360 minus 85 plus 110 plus 90 is equal to 360 minus 285 is equal to 75 degree. Then we get an angle L 75 degree. Make see the second one example. In that PLAN is a quadrilateral. The angle L is not given. Then we have to find angle addition property of a quadrilateral. Then angle L is equal to 360 minus 85 degree plus 110 plus 90. Then 360 minus 285. Then we get angle L is equal to 75 degree. First draw PL. Four centimeter. Then make angle 90 degree and 75 degree. And here is 75 degree. this is 90 degree, and here is 75 degree. Then take a arc 6 centimeter in your compass, and from L mark it. Then from this point A, draw the angle 110 degree. See, here is 110 degree. With help the ruler, join this. This is point A, this is N, right here 110 degree, and remaining is 80 degree. Here is 80 degree.
Now see the exercise number 4.4. In that, see the question. The rough sketch is a very important. First you draw the rough sketch, then draw a line segment 5 centimeter. EA is a 5 centimeter. Write the dimension. Then draw a semicircle. Then cut this arc in the same distance. We get a 60 degree angle. Then draw a line with using a ruler. Then we get a 60 degree angle. Then similarly draw the 90 degree angle. Draw a semicircle. Then draw 60 degree angle, means cut this arc into first half, and similarly from the first arc we cut the second arc. Then from these 2 points draw the intersection, we get the 90 degree. Then draw the line with using a ruler. Then take a distance. Then take a distance 4 centimeter. In your compass and make the arc from E. Similarly, take the distance 4.5 in your compass and make the arc from A. Then draw the line. These 2 intersections join a line. This is our main figure. Then write the dimensions and the name of that figure. Now see the exercise number 4.5. In that, the square read R is 5.1 centimeter. You know, square in all sides are same and each angle is 90 degree. First draw the 5.1 centimeter line. Then draw the 90 degree angle. Draw in a semicircle. Then first cut means 60, second cut means 120, and in between we get a 90 degree, and draw the line with the help of ruler. Similarly, again draw the 90 degree, draw a semicircle, first cut and second cut. Then we get the 90 between in between, draw with the help of ruler. Then we know square is all sides are same, that means draw the 5.1 and 5.1 centimeter to all. Then take a distance in your compass. We 5.1 centimeter. Then make the upward of R and also E. Then with the help of ruler draw the line and see this is a square. Write the dimensions and the values. Remaining all are homework for you. Thank you.